Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Now, as you can see, I've just styled the old moustache, and now I'm about to have my tea. Why are you telling me this, you may ask? Well, I've just been using this, the old Beard Bliss Moustache Wax, firm hold, and I'm going to do a review. Say it again. And I want to put it through its paces. So obviously, I'm going to eat a bit of hot food, the old Sunday tea, and a cup of tea and all that. And that's kind of going to give it a little bit of try. And then after that, I'll be filming the review. So come back, see how it looks, and I'll see you all soon. Toodle. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Here I am back with 4K for my review on Beard Bliss Firm Hold Moustache Wax. Now, this does say, to say moustache and beard wax. I wouldn't recommend it for the beard, simply because it is a good firm hold. It's a strong hold moustache wax. It's basically competition grade moustache wax. It's really good. You saw in a little bit that I just did. It was Sunday tea time, so I was going down for my Sunday dinner. So there's a bit of hot food, nice hot cup of tea, maybe the odd cookie or two, maybe. This is a couple of hours later now, roughly, and you can see it's still there. I do have these little diddly doo-doos there. Well, that's the sides of them there, the shot, they will pop out. That's not an issue. It's standing really well, and in all honesty, I will announce that this is the re-filming of the review, because I wasn't happy with some of the bits in the first one, so I've done it again. And I was kind of, when I was talking, I was kind of touching it and moving things around, explaining stuff. So I pulled it out a bit, so I've had to kind of press things back down. But other than that, I've done nothing to it. I've not added more wax to it. So that kind of shows you it's still pliable now. What, three hours maybe after applying it. 3 hours is not really a long time, you may say. True. Maybe if you're going to the competition, by the time you've done your bit, you're probably talking 4, maybe 6 hours sitting there. This sort of cool weather, it will last. It will hold. When you're applying it on, you're going to apply it to maybe just out of the shower, slightly damp moustache, working it through, get it to the shape, and then make sure you're blasting it with the cool setting on the hairdryer. I've saw some people with a beard saying, oh yeah, but then we put it on the cool setting, we don't know what it's for. Well, I'll tell you exactly what it's for. It's because of things like wax. When they're raised temperature, it's greater than room temperature, they don't hold as well. They kind of more, they break down a little bit, so things get a bit wispy and a little bit wavy. So once you've set the style like you want it, blast it with that cool air, and that will take the temperature right down and help it set into place. Once you've done that, you can go about your business. If you're applying wax kind of straight, putting it in and then you straight out the door, maybe for the daily commute or whatever, it's likely to fall because you've not had enough time to let it cool down and set. So it can take a while to style a moustache. Now just check this out. Piece I've got here, that tiny piece is more than enough to start with working. Squish it in your fingers, warm it up, and then just work it into the tash. It will pull the hair out, especially if they're about to come out. You will get a couple of hairs. It's nothing to worry about, and it's not unique. All strong moustache waxes will do that. You're losing hair all the time, and from your beard and from your moustache. So the ones that are kind of ready to fall out, they will come straight out. It's not an issue. Don't worry about it. But as moustache waxes go, Beard Bliss Firm Hold is up there with the best moustache waxes. Really worth giving it a go. £12.98 per tin. It's a 30ml tin, and it will hold. It will hold for the good day. It'll hold for the good competition day anyway, as long as you need it. 6 hours, I reckon. Easy. Obviously, if it's in really hot conditions, maybe not as good, but no moustache wax can help that. If you want to help that, then maybe apply some other stuff, some firm hold sprays and things like that. But this is all about the wax. Worth a go. It's not a good one. So anyway, thank you for joining me. I hope it tickled your moustache. Give it a try and let me know. Inquiry minds want to know, do you style your moustache? If you've never tried it, do you fancy giving it a go? Or do you think, no, I prefer the unnatural look? Let me know down there. Please give a like so the tube of you gobs will look favourably on me for the future. And hopefully I'll see you again soon. Toodles.